When did you start your researches on the biological effects of deuterium depletion?
When I was a PhD student in '98, so it's already 12 years since then.
All right, and what are the main achievements so far?
So the main achievements is the, I'd say, discovery of a few biological effects, out of which the most important is the help in radioprotection. Then also it's the stimulation of immune mechanisms. If we talk about achievements, it's 2 prizes in the Inventec Salon in Geneva and Brussels in 2002, gold medals for both of them. Not only me, also the producers of this water.
How significant is the topic in your opinion, and which fields of this topic would you like to focus in the future?
So it's absolutely significant in my opinion. So it's a new field. If we could obtain the interest and financing for this, we could, let's say, start a, let's say, practically new domain, a new field in the treatment of cancer and some associated diseases, but cancer is the most important thing right now.
All right, so is there anything like you would like to focus in the future on this field?
So in the future, as I'm not a, let's say, a therapist, so I don't deal with therapy, I'm a researcher. Even if I'm a medical doctor, I work mainly in research. So from my point of view, I would hope to be able to continue investigating the biological, the molecular effects. This would bring new, very much information which could be further expanded towards the, let's say, the clinical use.
Is this research supported in your country?
Right now, no. Between the years 2000 and 2003, it has been supported by a government grant. Since then, because it had become private, so the institute that was fabricating has sold the patent to a private investor. No government, let's say, financing was available anymore.
The producing of the DDW was sold, or just the whole?
The patent.
All
the
right.
patent. So it was developed in a scientific institute, in a state scientific institute in Romania, in Râmnicu Vâlcea, and then finally around 2003 or 4, they have sold to a private investor.
Right.
So the private investor then sells the water as it is to various other consumers. But because it's a private job, then we have also to buy it, and the government does not finance anymore the research on this field.
All right. Do you collaborate with any other country scientists?
I have collaborated with scientists from Germany. I also collaborate with scientists from Hungary, and during the last couple of years, no. So this is the last investigations and the last collaborations that we have was at least 2 years old.
What do you think of this symposium?
Well, it's a perfect idea. So it's the best opportunity, the best possibility that we have to make it known, because it really is something, but we have to study it very much. That's the main thing underneath it.
All right, thank you very much for your answers, and have a nice time in Budapest.